some tips about filtering. One, you should have a clear wine with no sediment, no oak chips, cube chips, or anything like that. So that should be discarded. So that's why you polish your wine, you siphon it before you start filtering. Now, when you start the filtering process, of course, everything needs to be sanitized and all of that. If you're doing by gravity, you do need some height, and you may have to go higher as you go into a finer pad, filter pad. So that's why if you watch the videos on the first one, which is the coarse pad, we didn't need the extra height. When we went to the medium and the fine, which is the one we're doing now, we need the extra height to help the gravity go through the filter pads. Now it takes longer, which is fine. You don't disturb the wine, just let it there, let it filter by itself, half an hour, and that's fine. The higher you place the top wine, the faster, quotation mark, the faster it will filter. But again, you do need some time. Make sure the knobs are all tight evenly, that way the filter won't leak. And then you have also a pressurized and closed airtight filtering unit.